Hi, my name is Dr. Kerry Tapuzzi, and you're watching How to Treat Photonically. Today we're going to talk about growth hormone, human growth hormone, and there are studies that are showing that you can increase your growth hormone levels with total body photobiomodulation. So, right, you're saying to yourself, I don't need to grow anymore. Why do I need to increase my growth hormone levels? Well, it's kind of a misnomer because it really should be called repair hormone because it repairs tissue, sense of well-being, abstract IQ, being able to multitask, burns fat, improves sleep, skin texture and tone, lowers cholesterol, reverses osteoporosis, improves your metabolism, libido, gets your brain to click faster, does a lot of things. So wouldn't it be nice to have yet another way to increase your human growth hormone levels without taking medication, without taking hormones, just by sitting in a red light bed for 10 to 20 minutes a week? Stay tuned. The Bloomfield Hills office is getting one of these, and if you're interested, you can watch our Indiegogo campaign and participate. My name is Dr. Kerry Tapuzzian, and you're watching How to Treat Photonically. Anybody recognize that large body of water behind me? That's Lake Michigan. Take care of yourself.